Hey guys, this is Amy, not with Y, but with double E. So now we're in our basement. So I'm planning to make this space to turn it to my office space since my classes will be all online. So I want to have my own space to since I want to concentrate. I have my little space in our bedroom, but I share my bedroom with my cousin, so I don't want to disturb her while on her sleep or in her zen zone, and at the same time I don't want to be disturbed while on my classes. So we have this space well, it's sort of a storage space. I'm gonna fix this all, so I'm planning to make an accent wall in there, like a curtain, but I'm not pretty sure yet because these two are quite dark and I want to brighten up the room. And I'm gonna change the light bulb because that's yellow. I don't like yellow lights. So yeah, we're gonna fix this. These things are not mine, so I don't know what to do with them. I mean, I have things here like books that I need to sell, but yeah. So I'm gonna sort things out and I'm gonna throw other things, which is not mine. These things are not mine. So I'm gonna throw those things that I think people need, and I think they don't kinda notice it too. So let's Hello. So now I really empty out the space, and I'm gonna knock this down. It's not like something in this boxes. Check that out. I have this stacks of books I'm going to sell. So I think for international students, before buying a new textbook, check out if you have like a Facebook group or a friend if they're going to sell their old textbook, and it will be cheaper. So like for example, I have this book. I bought this for $50, but it retails for like $200. So this is really a good deal. So yeah, that's a tip for you.
Ay. Yan na.
Ako tutong to.
Ano?
Kamay niyo, boy. Ipupush ko. Ay, wala ako. Malaking tulong ni Habi.
Sabi lang sa agad.
Ay, lahat ako kaya.
Ayun! Ganyan lang. Natibig nyo lang mo ilang try yun. Tatlo lang try yun, ha?
Wow!
Ilang pako yun sa 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gawin mo yun? 6 na pako.
Natawa sa hirap. Okay, after 3 days of waiting, 3 days of decorating, organizing, now it's here! Ta-da! Ang ingay na Elvi. Okay lang yan. Hirap na hirap.
Huwag mo na yaman.
Okay, so step 1 in decorating or creating your own space is to use your own resources. Like for example, I have my books in there, the paper clips and stuff that I could use for decorating. And the second one, look for deals. I had my whole office renovated ba? Decorated. Hindi ko din alam. Basta alam niyo na yun. Under 50 bucks. 50 bucks. So I have this table for 20 bucks. This usually retails around 100, I believe, in IKEA. And we got this for 20, and the dresser for $7, and the lamp for $18. So, yes. So you need to look for the deals if you're on a tight budget. So it will be easier for you to have and play around all those things. And the third one is be creative. So I told a while ago that I'm not gonna throw all the boxes because I'm gonna need them for this one. So I just made this memo board. Hindi ko din alam. Memo board. So I just made this made out of the boxes and the gift wrap that we have, and I just hung it in there. And this one. So if you saw this in my Instagram story or in Facebook story, I asked you what is the word that I constructed, and here you go. It's faith. So I just made this canvas out of the cardboard also, and the gift wrap that I just flip around, and some toy that we have been laying around in our art supplies. And there you go. And I hope you like it. And here's a sick montage. Here. I always sound effects. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. See ya guys! Mwah!